How should you feel after an adjustment? This is a question that I had the other week, and I thought this would be a good one to address. Now, how you feel after an adjustment really depends on where you are in your health journey. If we look at health as a journey, our health is always fluctuating up and down. Some days we sleep a bit better, some days we have a bit more stress. So our health always really fluctuates up and down. And there's these two competing forces. There's the resistive forces of your body and the stresses of life. Now, when the stresses of life outbalance the resistive forces of our body, our level of health drops. Now, often by the time we see someone, their health has dropped below what we call the symptom line. Now, your health can drop a fair bit before you actually start showing a symptom. So our health has dropped below that symptom line. Now, if you're in that part of your care, after an adjustment, typically I find there's three ways you might feel. Number one, you feel like $1 million. Now, that's sometimes a problem because just because there's no pain doesn't mean that there's no problem. So we feel great. Number two, we feel the same. Healing is a process. It took some time for that health journey to drop below that symptom line. So it's going to take some time to get heading in the right direction again. Or number three, we could feel a little bit more after that first adjustment. Now, typically I find this is pain, but it's a different type of pain. Typically it's an achiness, achy tightness. Exactly like if you were to go to the gym for the first time. You're using muscles and ligaments and discs in ways that they haven't been loaded before. So they're going to get a bit stronger, like if you had some exercise. So that's three ways you might feel after an adjustment if you're in that early phases of your care. Now, typically after a few months or a month or so, we get to the part in our care where we're probably close to that symptom line, where we might be hovering above and below. So some days in the week we feel good, some days in the week we feel a bit more. Now, in that phase of the care, typically I find people feel good after the adjustment. They might be coming in once a week, once every 2 weeks at this point, but we have an adjustment and then afterwards they feel good. And then maybe a week or two, the stresses of life kind of outbalances that formula and we drop below that symptom line again. So that's typically a second way that we might feel, depending on where we are in our care. We feel better after every adjustment. We feel a bit less tight, we're moving a bit better. Energy might even feel a bit more. Now, this is the tricky one when we get above that symptom line. Now, when we've worked on someone for a long enough period of time to get them back to where their health should be, their optimal health, they've typically been feeling pretty good for some time. And so when you come in for an adjustment afterwards, you pretty much feel the same because you're already above that symptom line. So, we don't have that lack of a symptom to indicate that we're actually a little bit higher. But just because we don't feel it doesn't necessarily mean that it's not happening on the inside. Like taking a fish oil supplement, for example. How do you feel after taking a fish oil supplement? The first month or so, you probably feel a little bit good. Your joints aren't as achy or as sore. But if you've been taking fish oil for 6 months or a year, how do you feel after taking fish oil? You pretty much feel the same. Now, just because you feel the same doesn't necessarily mean that something isn't happening on the inside. The best analogy that I can think of that a mentor of mine used to use is if you go to Lake Taupo and you throw a rock into Lake Taupo, does the level go up? Yes, it does. You can't see it, you can't measure it, but as a principle of physics, you throw a rock into Lake Taupo, the level's going to go up. Now, if we're in that optimal part of our care, we're just maintaining that optimal function, optimizing the performance and the function of our body, after an adjustment, you're going to feel about the same. But that doesn't necessarily mean that we aren't raising our level of health. I hope that makes sense. Any questions on this, feel free to comment below or message me. Happy to talk about this a bit more. Until next time, have a great day.